To begin installing the operating system, you must first enter the BIOS. In order to do this, you have to press the relevant button according to the motherboard manual. Next, go to the boot menu and select Boot Device Priority. For the first boot device, you press Enter and select the CD-ROM. Then press Escape and go to Exit, selecting Exit and Save Changes, and click OK. Make sure that the Windows disk is in the CD-ROM drive before you click OK. When the Boot from CD option appears, press Enter. At this point, the Windows installation will begin. When this window appears, select all the options as shown. Then click Next and click Install Now. Next, you select 64-bit Windows 7 Home Premium and then click Next. Accept the license and click Next. Then choose a custom install. Then onto drive options. Then delete all partitions. Click New and Apply. This will create a new partition and then click Next. Windows will now install. The computer will now restart and continue the install. During this period, the computer will restart several times and perform tasks necessary to continue the install. When you get to this screen, enter the username that you wish to use. Then input a password if you wish. Then input the product key if you have one. If you don't have a product key, you will use the trial version of Windows. Then click Use Recommended Settings. Then set the time and date if needed. You will now see the fresh desktop for the first time. For ease of demonstration, the drivers were pre-downloaded from the relevant manufacturer's websites. This includes the motherboard's chipset, sound and network, as well as the graphics. First, you install the chipset by extracting all the files and running the setup as shown. You will then install the Ethernet driver followed by the audio using the same process as before. And remember not to restart the computer until everything is installed. Lastly, you will install the graphics drivers as before. Now restart the computer and it will be complete and ready to use. This concludes our video tutorial on how to build a computer from over-the-counter components. We hope that this has helped you, and thank you for